Hi guys, welcome to Sri Srinivasa in Shorthand Institute. 120 words per minute dictation, 5 minutes duration. Start. In India, democracy can be a success only when the Indian women are politically awakened. This awakening cannot be an isolated problem. It requires some changes in social structure which will make it possible for the women to enjoy as important a place as man. In addition, they should be made free to express their opinion, to act as they like, and to be associated themselves in all fields of life. But due to our customs and traditions, they are made to be unimportant in our society. The parents have, when a female child is born, they feel the child is a burden to them. They also feel that any investment made on them for education is a sheer waste. Nowadays, the parents are very much eager to know whether the child is a male or female when it is in the womb of the mother. If they feel it is a female, they are even prepared to kill the child when it is in the womb of her mother. Under such circumstances, it is not possible for any human being to develop her personality properly. If we want women to be participated in the working of democracy, it is necessary that their living conditions will have to be changed. To bring these changes, mere laws will not be sufficient. The attitude to men cannot be weeded out till women face challenges and start playing an important role in the society. The future of India depends on the children. One of the most important responsibilities of women is that they should try to mold their children in such a manner that they become good citizens of the country. For this purpose, they will have to be properly educated. In order to make them to be educated, free education to the women should be introduced till degree level. A definite percentage of reservation should be created both in the field of education and in securing employment. They should not restrict their lives only to their homes. They will have to spare some time for their children who are the future of the nation. It doesn't mean that they are just to teach them the books which they read at school. They will have to inculcate the proper values of human life. Women are most suitable to play such a role because they will have lot of patience which is necessary for handling a child, and the emotional touch which is necessary to work into the affections of the child. This role will be possible only when the size of the family is small, because without doing so, it will not be possible to educate the children properly. In addition to this, if the population explosion is to be contained, it will save the country from number of problems like unemployment, scarcity of food, and improvement in the living conditions. Gone are the days when people are used to think that man is for the outside world and woman only for the earth. In fact, if she is exposed to the outside world, she will be playing a more important role in the society. Women will be able to deal with the problems more successfully as they have sense of justice and consideration for the sufferer. It has been seen that women have proved to be better judges because they do not become mechanical in their outlook and ruthless in behavior. even in the political sphere. As we all know, they are a great success because they look at the problem in a more balanced manner than men can.